Kadosh Boker Tov. We're continuing now with halachot. This is now the next siman Tafresh Pe Bet. We're talking about now Al Hanisim on Hanuka. All the days of Hanuka we're going to say Al Hanisim, whether it's going to be in Birkat Hamazon and Birkat Haaretz, or during the Tefillah, during Amidah in the Beracha Av Modim. Now if you forgot it, which means you do not mention it, so you do not go back. However, though, if you did remember it before you mentioned Baruch Atah Hashem, even if you already just said Atah, right? You come and that means you said Baruch Atah, and you're going to say Hashem. No, you go back and you're going to repeat. Now, the entire concept of the Birkat Hamazon, the Ramah says that if you do forget it, you forgot Al Hanisim at the beginning of the Birkat Hamazon, so therefore you would say it later on, you would say Arachamanu Ya'aseh Lanu Nisim Niflaot Keshem Shati Levodenu Mizeh Bimei Matatiyah, and then you would continue going from there. Now, just a few of the different halachot. Obviously, a person has to be very, very careful during the days of Hanukkah to come and to say Al Hanisim. If a person is going to be on the last day of Hanukkah, as long as they started before, Shitat Maran is as long as they started during Hanukkah, even if they finished the meal at the nighttime after Hanukkah, meaning it's already Motzei Hanukkah, the fact that they started the meal during Hanukkah, they would still say Al Hanisim. We do not say Al Hanisim during the Bracha Me'en Shalosh. Why don't we say during the Bracha Me'en Shalosh? He comes and he says over here, there's two reasons. Number one, Birkat Hamazon to say it is only a minhag. And number two, and therefore Me'en Shalosh there was no minhag. And another reason he comes and he says is that they did in Birkat HaOda'ah. He says in the Birkat Me'en Shalosh there's no Birkat HaOda'ah. So even though we come and we say no delecha, he says that's only kilu me'en chatima. So ever since it's not thanking HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we do not say it only in a place where we thank HaKadosh Baruch Hu. That is going to be Seif Aleph. Now another one is going to be is that when we get to Seif Bet, also Musaf of Shabbat and Rosh Chodesh, which even though again we do not have Musaf on Hanukkah, we still mention the Hanukkah during the Musaf, because any single tefillah that we're going to be mentioning, even though it's not mechayev, we're still going to come and we're still going to mention it. He says because it's a yom which is nitchayev be'arba tefilot. So if you didn't say it, en machzirin uto, again you do not go back, but that's just the general rule, right? In all of these halachot. Also, you don't say keshem shasita leve'asita mem nisim, right? He says nisim urob yemem manzeh. Some people they do say keshem shasita. It all depends on the different nuschaot. There was a lot of different nuschaot. If you remember, we have the minhag saying matatya. We don't say matityahu, right? There was the Al Hanisim, Val Hanisim. All those things, bli neder, we'll either try to get to, or if not, we'll continue afterwards with the next siman bezat Hashem.